These 5 adjectives usually sit before the noun. Let's start with beau, which means beautiful. For masculine form, we have un beau pays, a beautiful country. For a masculine noun that starts with a vowel, we say un bel endroit, a beautiful place. For feminine form, we say une belle ville, a beautiful city. But for masculine plural noun, we say de beaux paysages. For feminine plural form, we say de belles maisons. For the adjective beau, we have beau, belle. For masculine form, start with a vowel or a silent H with one L. Feminine form, belle with double L. Plural form, beau with X at the end. Feminine plural form, belle with S at the end. Now, next adjective, nouveau. Masculine form, un nouveau livre, a new book. For masculine form, with a silent H or a vowel, for example, we say un nouvel an, a new year. For feminine form, une nouvelle voiture, a new car. For masculine plural, we say de nouveaux projets, new projects. For feminine plural form, de nouvelles idées, new ideas. Next adjective, vieux, which means old. Masculine form, un vieux monsieur, an old gentleman. For a masculine noun which starts with a vowel or a silent H, we say un vieillot, an old man. For a feminine form, une vieille photo, an old photo. For masculine plural form, de vieux amis, old friends. For feminine plural form, de vieilles voitures, old cars. Next adjective, fou, which means crazy. Masculine form, un fou rire, a crazy laugh. Masculine noun with a silent H or a vowel, un fol espoir, a crazy hope. For feminine form, une folle journée, a crazy day. For masculine plural, we say de fous projets, crazy projects. For feminine plural noun, we say de folles histoires, crazy stories. Next adjective, mou, which means soft. Masculine form, un mou manteau, a soft coat. Masculine noun with a vowel or a silent H, un molle oreiller, a soft pillow. Feminine form, une molle couverture, a soft blanket. For masculine plural noun, we say de mous oreillers, soft pillows. For feminine plural forms, de molle couverture, soft blankets. Remember, the special masculine forms like belle, nouvelle, vieille, folle, and molle are pronounced exactly the same as the feminine form, like belle, nouvelle, vieille, folle, molle. But be careful, in masculine form we have only one L. In feminine form we have double L. Okay, now how would you say a crazy story in French? Or how would you say a crazy man? Write your answers in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.